Hi everyone, thanks for coming. So today hopefully we've got a reasonably simple repair. That's the hope, but yet to be seen. The hardest part is going to be showing you what's going on, because what we've got is this, a keyboard, Hemingway Hk100 keyboard. So this is not going to be easy to film. We'll do our best, probably not going to see much, and see how we go. So what the problem is, apparently this here, our DC connector, has been whacked or something. It's come loose, and it's only getting a connection when you hold it to the side. I'll just grab the cable and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so the cable plugs in. Oh yeah, that's a little bit loose. So it's all still there, as far as I can see. For the most part it looks fairly firm. So fingers crossed. We've just got to pull the back off, try and get to something, and hopefully it's just soldering a couple of tabs back on. Guess we're going to find out. So on the back here we've had screws in each of these holes, and along the bottom here we've also had screws through here along the back, and then it's popped this top section off. Just had to unplug a couple of cables, and then we've got the top off. Right, so that should get us a better look at what's going on. Can't really see anything there, can we? The whole base looks to be moving. Okay, so get rid of that, put it onto that. So hopefully we can just take this board out, disconnect a couple of things, and we'll come back to just that part. Alright, so unplug, unplug. Now, good idea is always take your phone and take a photo of the board like this. I've got the camera I can go back on, but we'll take a picture anyway. And then we can hopefully remember where everything's plugged in. So far we've got those screws, and now we're going for number 3. We better grab another tray and chuck those 4 screws into. Okay, so now we'll see if we can see a bit more what's going on. Okay, so this I assume center positive. Guess we should have a quick look. Yep, so center positive. That's how you know how it's outputting. Anyway, the center pin here, we get it somewhere we can see. Yeah, see that there? This point just there, that shouldn't be separate. So that's going to be this back one here. Yep, the whole thing's moving. See right there? Completely broken. So yes, it does look like we're going to have a reasonably easy fix. So what we want to do is this here, join it back onto here. We'll just scrape a little bit off. With a little scraper, Dremel style tool. With a tiny little tip on it. And where are we? Over here. So you only want to go just far enough to take the silk screen off, because you can very easily damage straight through the copper if you're not careful. Quick clean up with isopropyl, add a bit of flux, and we'll get that going. I think what I'll do is actually grab, these are the legs off of capacitors and resistors. When you put through the board, you solder it and then you cut the legs off. That's what these are. So what I'm going to do is actually pop one in like that, just to give a bit of extra support so it doesn't break again too quickly. Alright, so we want about that long. Well, that went flying. Okay. Yeah, that should work well. Righto, we'll get the solder going. Okay, so that gives us a good joint all the way across. Should be nice and strong. We'll check on, yeah, that's nice and strong now. Much better. Okay, just a quick double check. We'll where are we? That one? So, quick continuity check. From there to there we've got good contact now. And from the centre pin hold that there. Nice and solid. Okay. So looks good. That looks like that was the problem. We had the centre pin on our power jack, the centre pin disconnected. We've soldered it back up, all the rest seems good. I guess while we're here it would be silly not to just quickly do the other pins on there. Little bit of flux. Bit of solder on the tip to help it move. And get some solder on the all dropped away. It's better. Nice one. Okay. Quick clean up with a bit of isopropyl alcohol. And that'll clean her up nice. We'll put it, God, they've been rough on it, haven't they? Pushing it sideways, trying to make it work by the looks. Oh well. Yeah, we'll put it all back together and see how we go. Okay. That's looking good. We'll try and put the rest of it together. Okay. Here we are, all back together. Well, partly back together, a few screws still to go. We'll just check on this fit. That seems like better. Although the plug's moving, the housing really isn't. So I think that's going to work alright. Okay, so it's all screwed back together now. We've got it plugged in. Here's our plug here. Do it. And turn it on. You can see the light, the numbers here. Can wiggle it up and down, out, in again. All good. So all working. Sounds good. So we'll wrap it up, send it home, another one fixed up. Thank you. Nice to have a fairly simple, straightforward one. So thanks for coming, and hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you next time. Bye.